Hello and welcome to the program. I hope you're ready to begin. Now, to get started, let me tell you a little bit about what we're going to do in the program over the next few weeks. So first, it's composed of 10 separate modules. They're related, but there's 10 separate steps. We have activities and assessments. We want to be able to tell that you're learning, and we want you to be able to tell that you're learning. We'll give you opportunity to practice these key concepts that we'll be telling you about. And it's not just what we're telling you in the lecture. We want you to have some experience of hands-on actually doing that. In order to do that, there'll be programming assignments. So you'll be expected to implement and modify things with examples that we are going to give you so that you have that hands-on experience of dealing with natural language processing. And so ultimately, you'll be able to apply it to other tasks as well, and your own tasks. We want you to get that experience in building these models, running these models on tasks, so you'll be able to do it in the future. So let's talk a little bit more about the program. What it's really about is advancing the knowledge of key principles that are part of natural language processing, as it's currently known. It's a subject that is improving all the time, and there'll be new things, but the intention is that you have that grounding and you'll be able to understand how it currently is, and hopefully in the future as it advances. Exploiting various computer models in NLP and understanding both what they are and how you can actually do them in real-world problems and not just in the academic form. The work will be in Python, so you'll get a chance to opportunity to actually build these programming exercises. Our hope is that you'll learn how to successfully implement natural language algorithms themselves, but also use pre-existing, pre-trained models in such a way to help you solve these problems. Okay. To accomplish this, we're going to focus on a number of different things. First, we're going to give a little bit definitional space of what things are problems in NLP, natural language processing, so that you can identify what these tasks actually are. We're going to teach you and allow you to understand the internal word structure through learning about morphology, so that you can apply techniques from there, such as being able to do stemming and lemmatization of words. You're going to be able to learn how to build automatic classifiers for documents to be able to identify topics, sentiment, etc., given some set of documents. You'll also be able to understand neural networks and how they're currently used in natural language processing, and how to be able to build on top of neural network models and be able to both train and use to make things better. We also learn about computation models of labeling sequences of things, so text, words, and speech, how to be able to identify taggers that will identify names, places, part of speech, etc. You'll also be able to learn how to represent words in an efficient way using what's called embeddings, so that you can use in those downstream tasks. So we can get a representation of words that allows us to be able to train models in an efficient way, rather than just looking at the isolated words themselves. We're also going to look at the meaning of words and try to get meaning representations, particularly of words first, and be able to use that in our downstream tasks. And then later we're going to look at meanings of sentences, how these words combine together, and taking advantages of syntactic structure and parsing to find that syntactic structure so we get the meaning and representation of whole sentences.
As we move through the program, remember, you will be part of a global cohort. And you should take advantage of it, because different people in your cohort will have different expertise, and you can learn from them and use this as an opportunity to network. The program includes 24-hour support for technical issues, so don't let that hold you back. We also have experienced learning facilitators, and you should take advantage of them. Use this opportunity to help get yourself through the course and learn. I hope you're ready to go, so let's get started.